Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by verifying your Admob account address and tax status before any payout. Google mails a PIN after you earn $0, and you must enter it to verify your address. Next, complete the correct tax form for your residency. Submit Form W-9 if you are a U.S. resident. Submit Form W-8BEN if you are a non-resident. Check the payment center for any tax holds and follow the prompts to clear them promptly. Open the payment settings in your Admob or linked AdSense account to add a payment method. Choose either electronic funds transfer to your bank or a wire transfer option if available. Enter exact bank details including SWIFT, IBAN, and your account number to avoid rejects. Set your currency and make the bank account primary before the end of the month to qualify for the next scheduled payment. Save and confirm a small test deposit if Google requires verification of the bank. Understand payment timing and thresholds to know when funds arrive in your bank. Google issues payments between the 21st and the 26th of the month when your balance meets the 00 payment threshold. If you meet the threshold late, your payout will wait until the following cycle. Wire transfers typically clear in 2-5 business days after issue. Check transactions and any payment holds immediately if you miss an expected payout, and follow the troubleshooting steps shown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.